15 minutes, okay, good. He's a fighting. He might watch him be just a little bitty thing.
Oh no, that's good fish. At least 5 pounds.
What? 5 pounds? Okay. Come on, fight, baby, fight.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish.
Is it? Good. Doing everything I can to get him in here. That's good. God almighty is.
Yeah, he's a good fish.
Let me know when he's in the net. Thank the Lord. God almighty. Oh my God. That's bigger than yesterday. You think?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Broke that ice this morning. Woo! I wore my arm out. Let me just tell you. I ain't lying.